I'm gonna show you how to make shrimp cocktail my way. Okay.
There's different ways to make shrimp cocktail in Mexico. In some places they use tomato juice or tomato puree. In some states they add cucumber. This is the way they make it in Tamaulipas state.
I'm using 1 pound of shrimp cocktail. No, it's not cocktail yet. Not yet. I'm using 1 pound of shrimp. This is 150 shrimp per pound size. Yeah. Wash your cut first. She don't make me cry like you. When you cut the cilantro, use the steams. Here is the flavor, right? Is there someone out there that doesn't like avocado? Don't cut the avocado very small. We don't want to make guacamole. In a bowl, add 1 pound of shrimp. 1 lime, limon, salt to taste. Mix onion. It's up to you how much jalapeño you want to use. Enough. Diced tomato. Mix it. Just a few drops of Jugo Maggi. Worcestershire. I was just kidding. Worcestershire. About a half teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of Cholula sauce. Tabasco sauce. Ketchup. Catsup. Ketchup. Right. More ketchup. Mix it very well before you add the avocado. 1 avocado. Oh yeah, delicious. Make it pretty. Eat it with a salt and cracker. Spicy.